Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can install and run this central vac in this triple garage. And just we have to figure out a couple of things. First, we have to know where the best place that's the pipe come out from the house, and then we have this quad wire, like low voltage wire, and we have totally 7 outlets or inlet inside the house, and the nearest plug power is here. I'm going to run wire power cable from there to reach here, and then we need to know where's the best place. I think here's one of the closer start to the central vac pipe, like less than 2 feet distance, and then just a plate, actually bracket for this central vac. I'm gonna figure it out and where's the best place, best height, and then mount it on the wall first. I'll be back shortly. Okay, now I found where's the start and mount this bracket behind the vacuum, and it looks ready to starting the piping. All we need is one piece of the pipe, is 8 feet, and a couple of the elbow for around the pipe. I put one here. Need to add one here, and come out is the shortest way to connect it to here. And I'm gonna add one more inlet cap here for if in the near future we need here's a cleaning car. I'm gonna add one more inlet inside the garage. That's why I use this one. This is the main pipe from inside the house pipe, and then that one is new inlet to use, add new inlet for inside the garage. So let's start the two piping, and I'm gonna measure the pipes and cut it and connect pieces one by one to connect to the central vac. Okay, we finished the piping. As you see, I use here one elbow and I add one inlet. You use a pipe inside it makes turn on. Then the other elbow, please don't use this one, it's just too might be affected to pumping the vacuum. And then the other elbow connected here. Use this piece of pipes for clamp the wire here. Then for tested temporary with this wire, then you can see how it's working. And then the next step is install the other inlet for the main floor and master bedroom, all bedrooms, and second floor. Let's go to finish the inlets. Okay, here for inlet plugs we have something like this, and then when you open the caps, you have the connectors like here, and the pipe, and you put the pipe inside, like turn it on and turn it off, and unplug and turn it off. So here's the regular plugs, and then we have regular quad wires, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut it and then terminate it to this one. I joint all wires in two pair, black and red and green and yellow. I'll show you. So here we have 4 wires inside this regular low voltage wire, black and red and green and yellow. I personally like to connect this pair and this pair together, and then when you joint it, you just can hear it. That's it. This is a small connector for this outlet of the central vac. Let me finish it. Here we go. Connected green and yellow to first pin and black and red to second pin. Now it's ready to put inside. Actually this way, and use this Phillips screws. That's it. Now it's ready to use. Last step. Now that's it. Now it's ready to use and done. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully might be useful for you all guys. And yeah, that's it. Now we have a couple of inlet plugs for central vac for everywhere in the house. Thank you.